In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fidelity to Rocketmoney. By the end, your Fidelity accounts will be safely linked so your balances and investments show up right inside Rocketmoney for easier tracking. First, open the Rocketmoney app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date. A quick tip before we start. A strong internet connection helps the initial sync go faster, and keeping your Fidelity login details handy will save you time. From the home screen, head over to Settings. Depending on your device, this might look like a gear icon in the corner. Settings is where you manage all your connected banks and services, so it's the best place to add new financial institutions without changing anything else in your account. Next, tap Add Account. This tells Rocketmoney you're ready to bring in a new connection. You'll see a list or a search bar where you can find your institution. In the search, type Fidelity and then select Fidelity Investments from the results. This choice ensures Rocketmoney connects to the correct investment portal rather than a similarly named service. If you have multiple Fidelity-related products, choosing the main Fidelity Investments option is usually the right move for brokerage and retirement accounts. Now log into Fidelity. Enter your username and password directly in the secure window provided by the connection partner. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your device or code method nearby and follow the prompts. Rocketmoney never sees your full credentials. It uses encrypted tokens to maintain a secure, read-only connection. Once you're in, you'll be shown a list of eligible Fidelity accounts. Choose the specific accounts you want Rocketmoney to track, such as brokerage, IRA, or other investment accounts. Selecting only what you need can keep your dashboard focused, and you can always come back later to add or remove accounts. Finally, confirm and start the sync. The first update can take a minute or two as Rocketmoney pulls balances, holdings, and recent activity. When it's done, return to your dashboard to see your Fidelity accounts alongside your other finances. If something looks off at first, give it a little time. Some investment details refresh in batches. You can also review categories and labels later to keep everything organized. That's it. You've connected Fidelity to Rocketmoney. From here, enjoy a clearer view of your investments, net worth, and spending all in one place. If you ever change your Fidelity password or security settings, just revisit settings in Rocketmoney to refresh the connection.